Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for jalapeno chicken, first we need chicken, or you could use cooked chicken if you wanted to. But I've just got a pot of water onto the boil there, and I'm going to get my chicken breast fillets in. These are fairly small, so I've just left them whole, but if yours are larger, you might want to cut them up into smaller bits. And then I'm going to set the timer for 8 minutes. Okay, so chicken's been at a rapid simmer like that for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to just check temperature, and you want to be careful that, okay, it's 67, we want it 65C, which is poultry 165F. Beautiful, that one's maybe not quite done, so I'm going to just get out the ones that are done, let that last one simmer for a few more minutes, and then test it again, and I'll just let it cool down a little bit before we serve the chicken. Beautiful, so when the chicken's cooked, I just like to, you can slice it, but I like to just get 2 forks and just shred it into more bite-sized chunks. So just like the texture a bit better with that, if I do that. And then just got it ready to serve. So I've just got a bag of coleslaw mix. I'm just going to put our chicken on top. Then we'll just toss it to mix the chicken in, and then the chicken's going to warm the coleslaw a little bit, but it'll still be crunchy and beautiful. And then we're going to get on our sour cream. You could mix the sour cream in, but I like to just have a big generous dollop of it on top, and we'll swirl it a little bit. So about half a cup, but I tend to serve extra sour cream on the side. And then we've got our pickled jalapeno. So I've done these myself. They're just sliced with some salt and then just put in a jar with vinegar. Super easy, but commercial ones are good too. And then, as many jalapenos as you like. These are pretty fiery, so that might do it. And you can chop them up finer if you like as well. And now we have our jalapeno chicken. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.